Thank you so much for being on my channel. Today I have hired my actors to be in my YouTube channel. This person wanted to be in the channel. This person also wanted to be on the channel. They wanted to say, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. So today we are going to review the recently watched the Korean drama Netflix original series. It's okay not to be okay. Perfect, beautiful display of emotions and our relationships, how we can mend them. Today we are going to review the recently watched Netflix original Korean series. It's okay not to be okay. It is one of the good. Oh, they are gone, I guess. Let's go there.
Okay, still keep talking.
Recently I watched It's Okay Not to Be Okay because I'm babysitting and I'm just reviewing it. I have watched consecutively all the 16 episodes and it was amazing. Especially the topic was more about how people have different emotions. Some are conservative, some are reserved, some are optimist. And oh my goodness, he's going to occupy the seat. He wanted to occupy the seat and oh my goodness. Yes.
Come on now.
Oh my goodness, they are looking at him. How he just ran.
Come on now.
So I just keep talking, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. So keep walking. Keep walking.
Come on now. Then keep talking.
Okay. The story starts with a girl that has gone through a very challenging phase of life. She was born in a rich family, and since she is in a rich family, and especially she has no siblings, so she didn't get the love of people around her. And all she had, a father who was rich into business, the mother who was a writer, and her books were all about illustrations and drawing and kids related movies, books. And then what happens with her, she lost her mother, and in an incident, because her father found out that her mother has a different kind of double character personality, and then she grew up all at her own and she becomes a writer. Yes. So she becomes a writer, and during this time she just met this guy who is now a caregiver, but his brother has some disorders. It's like a emotional disorder, something like, we cannot say it, something like that. I don't know the specific word to use for that. And then he's taking care of. Thank you so much for dropping by. What a beautiful day to begin with. It's okay not to be okay, Netflix original series that I recently watched. It has 16 episodes and totally engaging content that they have provided it. The story revolves around an actress. She is an illustrator, she is a writer, and she was born in a rich family. Her mother was also a writer, but suddenly her mother is lost from her life for 5 years and she never turned back, or she didn't come back. So there is a hidden secret. You should watch it on Netflix and try to find that why she went and how she just vanished from her life. So now the daughter become also an illustrator, and she has some psycho problems, emotions. She is super hyperactive, a little bit lunatic about her emotions. So she meets the caregiver at the psychiatric clinic, and it is a very beautiful location. I really wanted to go one day there because it's closer to the seashore, and the post you can see on Instagram and all this from the actors and actresses, mind blowing, a beautiful place to visit. That's why I think it is making an international so much search that the people are looking for that place. It's very comfortable, and the rest of the majority of the scenes and the drama was shot in that location. So her father just now moves to that psychiatrist clinic, and there, especially I like the sporting actors and lead actresses. They are all very good, and especially I like the character of Mr. Lee also, though he is a manager of that actress. But he, at certain level, when he was at this village, he said something beautiful words that how to make up your relationship and how to have a strong bond with the people and those who care about. Though he is more about the monetary gains when he was working with her, and the guy, the lead actor, he has a brother also who has a disorder, but he is at least very good at illustration. So how they collaborate with the writer, it has a more crisp and spice to enjoy, and how she likes to be with that guy because they had a past that is connected to each other, and that's how the story is all about. I don't want to reveal the synopsis because in the end it becomes more brilliant to watch it, especially the story is very engaging. I like the character of the mother also. She said that at least even if you are a bad person, if you have a love for people and you care about them, you are a beautiful human being. She cooks meals for each and everyone, and if I will talk about all the character, it will take a long video to watch it, but I really wanted you to just go on Netflix series and watch the entire series. Very engaging, and especially the characters are very good. I really like all the sporting lead actors and actresses. They done a very brilliant job, and I hope you will enjoy this series. And if you have any other comments you wanted to share with it, what is your favorite episode? My favorite episode was after 12. Oh, I have told you to skip to the episode. I shouldn't tell you, but if you will watch from the beginning, it will tell you, because at the beginning they just started the story very beautifully, telling many things with illustrations and cartoons, animations, so that at least we get the idea of what the story will be all about. And watch out what the butterfly really means in the drama, and why butterfly means a lot. Especially all these things have many details, and you should watch it. So thank you so much for being with me. If you like, share and subscribe my channel, that will be much appreciated, and kindly support me by sharing it with others. And especially if you have another Korean drama that you wanted to suggest it, just comment below in my channel. So thank you so much. Keep watching and tell me who is your favorite characters. My favorite character was the girl, especially she is singer, and she is working at the clinic, and it is the first time she is in the drama, I guess. Sangjuri, or I don't know, I can't pronounce their name, sorry. And the other lead actors, especially the guy at the pizza, very funny guy, but very good. And Mr. Lee is also very good, and the mother who cooks meal every time, perfect. All these characters, I really like it, because if you will watch this, I think it's more entertaining when you keep doing it. I really wanted to make it my Patreon channel so that I can give a review on episode by episode. That will be very helpful. So thank you so much for being with us. So see you, take care of yourself. Bye bye.